Goodness. So yeah, it's a fence right here. So and it got barbed wire. So that must be a sign to not go that way. But it's nice and clear through here. So we gonna go this way. Man, this tree look funny, don't it? Come on, y'all. We gonna go back and explore this tree. What in the world? Dang. Wow. Where's the tree people at? So yeah, it's all type of stuff up in here, guys. You got mushrooms in here. I'm pretty sure it's lettuce growing, kale growing, all type of herbs in these woods. I just wonder, is that why they got this blocked off? Is because of that, or maybe the building? Oh man. Let's see. And it's crazy. I haven't seen no. So yeah, we going north right now. Gotta always remember where you're going. So this fence, I'm gonna take this fence is east. I'm sorry. Yeah, east. So this is the east fence. Whoa. Okay, I'm getting close to this building over here. It's still fenced off right here. I can't believe it ain't no deers in here. I ain't seen not one deer, no coyotes or nothing. Do I want to see a coyote? No. Do I want to see a deer? Yes. Deers are beautiful to me. Coyotes, I don't like them. Kind of freak me out. Okay. So yeah, the sun definitely giving me some light. It's definitely beaming me up. Let me know I'm safe. Oh, we 22 minutes into the video. And I ain't gonna lie, guys. Me climbing and moving through these woods. Okay, there goes some train tracks right there. So a train maybe come through here. Not quite sure. They go to the building right there and the barbed wire fence. So we gonna keep straight. Cause this fence, I wanna do it like stop somewhere up here. But yeah, this snow haven't even melted. It haven't even melted yet. Okay, let's see, which way should I go? This way. And then see, this snow can be tricky because it can be a hole, guys. Wow. Go this way. Okay, I just heard something. I swear I heard something, guys. Hold on. Alright. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. You know what? That's crazy. How come it's all the snow is... It wasn't no snow on that side. And then you don't see no snow over there, but it's snow all right here. Is that because the sun haven't melted it yet? That's weird. Okay. Keep going straight. Keep going, keep going. Man, he go with some type of warehouse building or something. There we go. That's the cloning facility, guys. No, I'm just playing. Could be. You never know, because it's tucked off in the woods. That's weird. Just saying. That's very weird. Go this way, though. So, guys, which way we going? We going north now. Wow. Woo-wee. We deep in here. Oh, man. Anyway, whoa. I hope everybody's day is going good today, man. Y'all don't party too much. I know today is Saturday and you off work for some of you guys. Okay, I see something going on. So I'm quiet too because I'm listening, and then I'm also like looking at the different trees, some trees that look kind of funny. Maybe they're tipped over or something. Man, that's a nice little dip in there. Whoa, almost fell. So y'all can kind of hard to see. It's a nice little dip that way. Keep going straight. Keep going. So yeah, that White House crazy. Crazy. All right, we're gonna I'm gonna set this down. I'm trying to set it somewhere where it's not gonna cover up and touch anything. I'm gonna leave that right there, and I'm gonna. The camera may be moving funny because I gotta set it down for a second, guys. I gotta use the restroom, and I think it's that Celsius drink got me want to use it already. So excuse the camera if it getting a little wobbly. All right, it's gonna be all right. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera. I'm gonna set it right there. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere, guys. I'm coming right back. Try to watch the full walkthrough video, okay? Hope y'all didn't go nowhere. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna keep it moving straight. Whew. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of kicking up a little sweat, guys. I was getting chilly, but I'm starting to warm up, man, because it's a little hill I'm walking up now. Damn. Wow. It's amazing. Whew. I'm gonna definitely cut this video in half. I got to. Really ain't too much in here, guys. I'm on the other side of this cloning facility, and I'll keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it what? Northbound. Oh, okay. Now, this part of the woods over here, I'm not sure about. Okay. Now I see something on the tree. I see a couple trees that got some pink ribbons on it, and I see yellow. So this one right here, it has a yellow. I wonder what this means, man. I wonder what this means. Now, I was told from somebody that it may have been the nature preserve or whatever the hell their title is. They come through and walk through and check things out in these woods from time to time. So these could be like guidelines, I guess, to get back, or this can't be a tree that they want to cut because why you ain't got the ties on other trees. So I'm assuming it's for to navigate back, but I mean, I don't need that. We're just gonna go north, south, east, and west. So right now we going westbound. We're gonna keep walking. keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Oh yeah, we threw this thing today.